My name is Chris Lombardo. I'm a postdoc at the University of Texas, and I'm part of the Greater Austin Professional Chapter. And my EWB story is about education. I started EWB about 6 or 7 years ago, and I've been involved ever since. And what EWB provides to its students and its professional members is education for a new kind of engineer and a new kind of world leader. Normally in engineering, you think about having a classroom where you solve equations, designing a dam or a computer chip or building a new car. But you don't normally think about working with people, helping them develop things for their own communities to make their lives easier. What students get when they work with Engineers Without Borders is an education that lets them think outside the classroom, outside of their city, outside of the United States, to work with people in different countries, different communities, cultures different than their own, on problems that they may never address in the classroom. You don't think about an electrical engineer working on a water system, or an art student looking at a cook stove project. Because in Engineers Without Borders, there are students from all across campuses. They get to work on these problems that help people. And bringing service into education is something that really is changing the face of how we learn as students and professionals, and how we become better leaders throughout the world. And what we've seen out of the students that graduate, companies want them, and they make a great impact, whether it's in companies, government, aid organizations throughout the world. But this background of learning how to work with people who are very different than themselves translates through any industry, any culture. Because when you have those skills to work with people different than your own, you can excel anywhere, doing anything.